Hi there, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about ChatGPT, the advanced language model created by OpenAI. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, it's a pre-trained language model that uses machine learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. It was created using the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and has been trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet. ChatGPT has many practical applications, from answering questions and providing information to generating creative writing and even coding. It's even being used by businesses and organizations to improve customer service and automate certain tasks. What sets ChatGPT apart from other language models is its ability to not only provide a response, but also to understand the context of the input and generate a relevant and coherent answer. It can also be fine-tuned for specific tasks, making it a versatile tool for a variety of industries. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful and innovative language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It's exciting to think about all the possibilities, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this amazing tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.